What's up, my dudes, and welcome back to Daily Diecast. Today, we've got something a little bit different for you. My chick was getting some groceries today, and she sent me a picture and asked if I wanted to get this. And of course, I said definitely. It is my first 1/64 scale Maisto. I do have some 1/24 scale and some 1/18 scale stuff from them. But yeah, this is my first 1/64. I guess specifically, it's Maisto design. But anyway, when she sent me the photo, well, I just couldn't resist. I was like, yes, that looks amazing. A 57 Chevy Flatbed and a second-gen Camaro? Like, oh my god, that's amazing. And then she said it was only $8. Like, what a deal. That is so cool. I guess let's check out the package first, I guess. This is side Elite Transport, interesting. I guess it's their answer to the Hot Wheels Team Transport. Very nice, not a whole lot going on, which is fine by me. There's all the legal stuff right there. All right, let's go ahead and crack it open. Let's check it out. I've been really curious about this all day long. Oh wow, it opens up really easily. Wow, so for package collectors, you could really conceivably could open it up, enjoy it, and display it, and then put it back if you really wanted to. I mean, that opened up easily. No screws, no little rubber bands, nothing. Let's, oh wait, did I speak too soon? Because it is, oh, no. It comes off quite easily. Let's put this in the background for now. Let's check out this awesome truck. Nice flat black on the cab. No side view mirror, surprisingly. The grille looks really nice. Let's get a little bit more light on it. There we go. Yeah, it's real nice grille details, emblem details, and lighting. It's Falcon, really nice. That was always a tire of choice for me back in the day. Oh, that looks good. See the Falcon stuff on there, I think. No, that's rubber. Nice. Yeah, these are rubber tires. The base is plastic. And oops, it's upside down. There we go. Not really any details down there, but no biggie. Very cool. And if it's anything like the Hot Wheels one, and it is, you just push it and pull it, and it goes up and down. Very cool. Oh, it's some really nice diamond plate effects on here. It's plastic, but it's really nice. Yeah, this whole thing is plastic, actually. Let's see. Yeah, this is die cast, and then this is plastic, and the base is plastic. Like the wheels a lot, too. Very realistic. All right, let's check out this Camaro. Awesome. Look at that giant blower on there. SS on there. Dude, this is sick. What? Wait, does this open? Kind of looks like it would, doesn't it? Let me get something to pry with. I'll be right. All right, so I tried to open it off camera, and I don't think it opens, but it's all good. Still looks very, very nice. It's also missing side view mirrors, but it doesn't bother me that much. I just love that huge blown engine and that grille and the headlight tampos. It looks really nice. Nice Falcon decals, both on the car and on the wheels, and the rims themselves look great. Yeah, I'm impressed quite a bit. This is really nice. There's the twice pipes down there, taillight details, and the Maisto license plate. Oh, I got some speakers in the back. Check that out. How cool is that? I like the black interior. Let's take a look at the steering wheel a little bit better. I like the chrome trim around the window. Yeah, it looks really nice. Oh, you know what else is cool? If you want to do a custom, these are just regular old screws. That is really nice. Yeah, I am impressed. I mean, I'm not switching brands or anything, but, you know, I just wanted to check out something different. And it was a nice gift from my girlfriend. She's so awesome. She loves diecast and cars just like I do, so she has no problem shelling out the couple of dollars to pick this up for me. So awesome. So rad. All right, let's go ahead and put it on here. Oh, it kind of bottoms out a little bit, but it's all good. And there we go. It is complete. Check that out. I love this. I can't even lie. This is so cool. I am a fan. I never thought I would say that, but yeah, this is a nice 1/64 from Maisto. Good job, guys. All right, you guys, that was the video. Thank you very much for hanging with me on this Sunday afternoon. If you're new to my channel, my name's J-Dog, and I post diecast videos pretty frequently, almost every single day. And if collecting diecast is your thing, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, and I'll catch you dudes next time.